If you want to change your Gmail password on your iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus, so in this video I will show you how you can do that. First of all, just open any Google app on your iPhone. You can open Gmail or any other Google app. For an example, I will open Google Photos. After you open Gmail or Google Photos, just tap on your profile icon over here. Then tap on Manage Google Account or Google Account. Now on this page, you will find an option called Google Password. Just tap on it. Then enter your current Gmail password. After you enter your current Gmail password, then tap on Done. Then tap on Next. If you have signed into your Gmail account in another device, it will show you a few steps so you can follow to verify that it is you. Now just follow these steps mentioned on the screen to verify that it is you, and enter the security code which you will get from the other device. After you enter your security code, just tap on Done and tap on Next. Now from here, just create your new password. After you create your new password, now in this section, just enter your new password one more time to confirm your password. After you confirm your password, then tap on Change Password. Select Change Password. And once you do that, you will change the password of your Google account on your iPhone. And this is how you can change the Gmail password on the iPhone 16, 16 Pro, Pro Max, and the Plus. Make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. Thank you for watching.